Hello folks, this is Adnan Shokat from W3 Programmers. As you can see, here is our actually official site for the tutorials. You can find pretty much tutorials on WordPress, Cake, PHP, CodeIgniter, Laravel, everything. It's categorized here actually. So we will be going to discuss about AngularJS and its special feature of binding actually. Before watching this, I will really appreciate if you go to this view and see the previous articles. These are not video actually, but very basic articles where you can learn what is Angular and how can you do everything. There's a small snippet of Hello World convention. So if you actually go through this before, then we are good to go. So let's start our work. First of all, you are going to need AngularJS library. Download it in your project or view it in GitHub. Here is the GitHub, which is actually a very large which have actually very large contributors, about 697, and commits of about 4500 around. So this is the thing we needed, and for the basic thing, structure, HTML structure, we are going to use Bootstrap. We're now let's go to our project, make it smaller so that we can work in there. And here is our project actually. So here is the basic structure of our program, basic skeleton of HTML. Here is the library of AngularJS minified version actually. So let's go and dig some up. First of all, we are going to learn what is binding actually. For that, we are going to have to make a model directive, application directive actually, Angular application. So make a div ng app. Ta-da! It's fine. Now if we write something, sorry, here 3 plus 3, so here you can see like 6. Let's put it in some h2 tag, then we'll be gonna know about this. Now you can see that there is 6. You can also count 7 plus 3 equal to 9. You can also 7 times 3, 21. Then you can also do 12 by 3. It will actually give you the result. So you can, as you can see, that whatever we are writing here, it's automatically updated in there because of this parenthesis. You can learn this by reading my previous articles on W3 Programmers. Now as you can see, this is binding. You can not only numbers, you can also pass strings there. So if you want hello, concatenate in JavaScript world, then what we're gonna see, oh sorry, there is a code missing. So here you can see that it's watching hello world. So whatever we have done in here is we initiative a directive ng application. We have told this HTML structure to load this div in Angular, and then we can do these sort of things. It's a binding. Now we're gonna see two-way binding. For that we will need an input tag type, and it will have an ng model. Model equal to data dot text. So whatever we will write in here, we are gonna have this in here. So first of all, this is the property we are gonna use in here. So refresh the page. you can see the text box. Now if we write it and actually say something, whatever you are writing, it's automatically updated. As you can see that automatically updated. It's really beautiful feature. It's called two-way binding. Whatever you are writing, it's automatically updated in here, wherever you are putting this property in ng model directive. Now let's have some fun with that. Actually we are gonna call a div where we will gonna make bootstrap component working. So whatever we will do is put them on. We'll see nothing first of all. Then let's say alert success. Oops, I'm extremely sorry. Let me put something in here or it will not work. Wrap me with bootstrap. So first of all we are going to see nothing, but if we make it alert div, so you can see it's automatically updated. You can give anything you want, alert and other things, sort of yeah, the alert success, alert error. Is there any such kind of alerts? Actually I don't know actually. So this is actually works. How you do that, actually this is a strong feature by AngularJS. So this is called by ng model. Now it's time to look our controller. It's let's forget about this. We will get this code inside a div wrapper where we are gonna call ng controller, my controller. CTRL turns to actually controller. As you can know that we will make it like this. We will rip off of this code. Now let's go to where we I have already actually included this JavaScript file, my script. We will gonna write down function myctrl scope. As you can know, scope I have already written in my previous article. It's a really strong feature. Actually it's parameter which will pass through the controller to our view end. So what we are gonna write in here actually, scope dot our properties data equal to make a object. Here is this text equal to suppose hello world. Now if we update this, you can see that our input tag is gone, but still we are getting something from here. Here you can see whatever we have written in hello world in text object, and we put this property in here and we are getting this output, hello world. So this is how you will play with AngularJS two-way binding. There's something I want to show you actually. It's controller. If we put an input tag type text, just like before, I want to introduce you to something actually. Model to data dot text. So let's do something in here. as you can see, there is nothing updated. Instead, we are calling this property here, but it's not updating because it's already written in controller. Without this controller, this input tag is nothing. But if you put it inside controller, let's see what happen. We have already got something, but if you change this, it will override the things. Write the controller. That's it. You can also alert success. You get this. Instead of putting input tag, you can also give it in here in controller. Oops, sorry, make a small alert success. So if we go there, we will be seriously, this is a really very good feature of AngularJS. So this is the end of this video. I think you have liked it, learned something about two-way binding. So see you for in next video.